In this video, I want to talk about how you can be a Shopify partner. What you want to do is head over to shopify.com/partners, and in here you just want to press on the become a partner. Once you click on this, you have to sign up with an account with your email and stuff like this. And let me just quickly show you in here. So once you've done there and you want to become a partner, enter an email name and password, confirm it on your email, and then you just want to fill out the partner information. And keep in mind, this is completely free, so you can do this. Then you can check out your partner dashboard. And if you are the Shopify partner, you can earn money by doing some new stuff. So what you can do is you can refer new customers, you can build and sell Shopify apps or stores, you can make the Shopify themes, or you can offer services to Shopify store owners. So that is what you can do as a Shopify partner. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.